Today we are celebrating our 50th anniversary, our birthday. Susie, the owner, is working extremely hard feeding the masses today. We have a huge menu. It's not often that you can say that a business is celebrating 50 years, and I don't think anybody in town can say that. So we're very excited. Every single dime today for all the food that we sell, all proceeds go for Shark, which is Marathon's animal shelter, and the Wild Bird Center. All of the money goes to those two charities, which Susie Curry feels very passionate about those two charities. And we're super excited to be turning 50 years old.